Ken Royal here for Scholastic Administrator and Scholastic Professional Media. I'm here talking with Brett at the Samsung booth, and you have a Samsung, is this a Slate or a tablet?
It's actually what we would consider to be a hybrid. It gives you the best of both worlds, Ken. This is called the Series 7, and in this mode, the way I'm holding it now, it can be used as a full touch with a full touch screen as a tablet. So in other words, you can be using it as an e-reader, or you could be taking notes on it. And if you need to input data on a heavier basis, the device will actually allow the keyboard to slide out and open up so that you can actually have full access to a full-size QWERTY keyboard.
Can you slide that back out again so I can see that again?
Sure, no problem. So to put it into a tablet mode, you literally will just fold the LCD down and it'll slide forward just like that.
And what's this called?
This is called the Series 7 from Samsung. It's been designed with the education market in mind, and we're really looking at it not only for the K through 12 market, but also the higher education market as well.
Can you go through some of the specs on this?
Sure, be happy to. Well, basically from a visual perspective, we've got a 10-inch wide LCD. It's in a landscape mode. This LCD will actually operate at 340 nits of brightness, and what that means is that it can also be used outdoors under the sunlight. There's a front-facing video camera for having Skype phone calls, video chats, or video conferencing. Also on the back, there is a rear-facing camera for not only still pictures, but also for doing video as well. It has an HDMI output to project it onto a large external monitor, as well as a mini USB port for connecting other devices. This utilizes the latest Intel dual-core Atom CPU, and what's great about it is that it will come with either a 32 gigabyte or a 64 gigabyte solid-state drive. So that means very, very fast system boot times and very fast processing of the applications by having a solid-state hard drive.
My question is about battery life.
Yeah, battery life is always essential, and this unit will get up to 8.5 hours of battery life, 8.5 hours of continuous runtime on a single charge.
And replaceable battery?
Field replaceable from the underside, yes, definitely.
Great news for directors of technology.
Absolutely. It's a very simple replacement process.
Ken Royal, Scholastic Administrator and Scholastic Professional Media, talking to Brett at the Samsung booth, and this was the Samsung slider.
That works for me.